Okay, next time, just pray for this. Next week also, the company who will install our LED screen, they will also visit our church. Oh, pray for them to install.
Ngayon po sa company na nag-order po natin ng LED ngayon, meron po apat na empleyado na bibisita para mag-install at panati panalangin po natin.
Kindly, indeed, during the sermon, listen first. Then you need to say something, say speak. Once, me first.
Ito po sabihin sa panahon, sa oras po ng sermon, tayo po ay maminig ng mabuti. At kung meron may papakita sa screen, makikita po natin dito sa
Okay, today is a fire message for our family month series.
At sa araw po nito, ito po huling mensahe para sa ating family month o sa family worship.
Last 4 weeks, you will learn about family, the important clue about the family.
At ng apat na linggo, natutunan na natin ang apat na tungkulin o importante o mahalaga bagay sa pamilya.
The first week,
Unang linggo,
so families begin with God.
una, strong family begins with God.
Second week, marriage needs what? Love and respect.